Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to check the CPU architecture on our Android smartphone. So let's check it out. The user interface for doing all this might change in the future. If that happens, please let us know in the comments. We will share the updated steps for this. If you want to check the CPU architecture on our Android smartphone, then there is no direct shortcut for this. But still, we will cover two ways to find that. This comes handy when we download APK files from the internet and we are confused which version to download and install. First, we are going to use apps like DevCheck and CPU-Z. These are popular and reliable apps to get detailed hardware information about our smartphone. We can download this for free on Google Play Store. For the DevCheck app, we can open it and then we can go to hardware. And here under architecture, we can see ARM V9 and it is also 64-bit. Most of the modern smartphones have this. Older ones use 32-bit. And for the CPU-Z app, we can open it. Then we can go to system. And here for kernel architecture, if we have ARC64, then it is ARM64, 64-bit. That's all. Second, we are going to use a terminal emulator app for this. We prefer Termux for this. This is pretty good and powerful. We have to open the app and we have to execute this command. I'll share this on the screen for you. Get prop space ro.product.cpu.abi. We have to enter this and we will get the value here. That's all. These are the steps to check the CPU architecture on our Android smartphone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.